Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Fully Charged Gardener. Thank you very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. So we are smack bang in the middle of bulb planting season here. We plant on average about 10,000 bulbs a year, mixture of tulips, daffodils, crocuses, alliums, all sorts of things. So about 10,000 bulbs a year. And this year we've been having some fun with this auger that fits onto your drill. So I just thought I'd share it with you. We've been using this in the borders and around some of the bases of our trees. We haven't used it in areas where we're going to be putting bulbs in slightly nicer turf. That we still use a spade or a bulb planter because it just leaves a little bit less mess, because obviously this does churn up the ground a little bit. And just to show you, we also have this smaller auger, bit of a size comparison. This is cool for doing crocuses and things like that, where you just put in little individual bulbs in. And the reason why I wanted to share this with you guys is because you can get these on Amazon. And I'm going to put a link in the description. Now this is an affiliate link, so it does mean I get a couple of pennies towards an Amazon voucher if you guys did decide to buy it. But anyway, we've been using this and love it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So just check out the footage of it doing its thing. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Right, let's go plant some bulbs.